Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Skyler, and I'm doing a kind of different video of myself. It's gonna be on like a ringtone thing on the iPhone 2G, or iPhone first generation, second generation, third generation. So iPhone 2G, 3G, and 3GS. I have them all here. Here's the 2G. Here's the 3G. And here's the 3GS. They're all 8 gigabytes. And they all work. Obviously, because I'm going to do a video on playing the same ringtone in every room. So we're going to turn up the volume. Alright guys, you ready? Let me just turn this. Alright, they're all at the same volume. They're all the way up. We're going to play the same ringtone on each one. Oh, whoops. It's hard to do this with. Alright, they all played. Now we're going to do, I just have some ringtones I downloaded on here. That was a downloaded ringtone. We'll do the standard marimba ringtone on all of them. Let me just scroll down on all of them. Alright, let's see. Marimba, there you go. 3G. Whoops. Didn't work. The 3G didn't respond. Alright. Alright. We'll do another alarm, for example, the alarm ringtone on all of them. Alright, now we'll do, let's see, hold on. We'll do the old phone, or piano, or old phone, yeah, old phone. If I could find it on my phone. Where is it? There it is. Whoops, hit the wrong one. I'll do piano riff. All these phones are deactivated, or the 3G and the 3GS are deactivated. The 3GS, as you can see guys, it's, well, let me lock it. It's cracked. It's my mom's old phone. I just cracked it more by accident. I didn't realize it was going to crack more and carpet, but it's my mom's old 3GS. She just got the 4S. I don't have it with me because she's not home, so she has it with her. Then I got the 3G, 8 gigabyte for my friend. It's cracked too. The only one that's not cracked is the 2G because I just got it on eBay. So this one my friend actually found on the ground, and it had deactivated SIM card. It was deactivated, but yeah, it works. Like, touchscreen's cracked, but well, let me just type in my passcode. Yeah, see, it will go with the, let me just hit the home button. But yeah, it works. Spotlight searches, works. It's got a few apps on it, but yeah, I put apps on it. And then you got the 2G, which is actually unlocked. It reads any SIM card. It's got my T-Mobile SIM card in it, 8 gigabyte. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's a 2G. It's got black door 6 on it, so not white door 6, black door 6. Black door is another white door, basically, only they're slightly different, but yeah, I have some apps on here. It says no service right now out there, but because it's not getting service in my basement, obviously. But yeah, it works. Now we're gonna play, for example. But yeah, that was the quick video of the devices and what the ringtones sound like. And yeah,